What's up guys and welcome back sa ating channel. Once again, this is your P2 Vinci and welcome to another episode of our daily moto vlog. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit andito tayo sa ating studio or editing office. Reason is, unfortunately, pag tanghali, sobrang init. Okay, and paghapon naman is medyo maulan lately. So wala tayong chance mag-shoot ng video during those times. Of course, priority natin is our safety and our health. Okay, so today, ang topic natin is about the upgrades that we have with our ADV 160. Okay, as you can remember on the previous two videos that we have, the topics were about the things that I like and the things that I don't like about the ADV 160. So, today, pag-usapan natin is about the upgrades na mga ginawa natin sa ating ADV. So, number one upgrade that we did sa ating ADV, number one is yung top box and yung top box bracket. Okay? So, yung top box natin is a SEC Kryptonite 45 liters hard plastic. Okay? And then number two, yung bracket na ginamit natin dito is also the SEC, which is SEC Metal Warrior, which is ito yung tubo. Okay? This is not the usual type of bracket na nakikita nyo karamihan sa ibang mga motor na gawa sa alloy or die-cast material. Okay? So, the reason why I chose this two, okay, yung box muna, yung box kasi magaan. Okay, that's number one. And then, yung sa bracket naman, kaya siya yung napili natin is para mag-match dun sa ating crash guard, which is the DC Motowolf Crash Guard version 2. Okay? So, that's the reason bakit ito yung bracket na pili natin ikabit sa ating ADV. Okay, next upgrade that we have is yung lightings. Okay, sa motor natin, we are using two types of lightings. Okay, yung driving light natin is a PhilLED Nighthawk, and then yung ating aux light or the floodlight is a TDD laser gun. Apart from that, we also have the passing light. Yung passing light natin dun sa TDD laser gun is connected to a rapid interrupter. So, one press lang yung passing light nun, kusa na siyang mag-blink or kusa na siyang mag-wink. Okay? So, may winker switch siya na connected sa rapid interrupter. Okay? Now, not only that, yung laser gun din natin is connected as a combo light sa ating secondary horn, which is yung Bosch Evo Fanfare. Okay? Kaya siya secondary horn kasi switchable siya. You can switch on the stock horn and also the secondary horn. But most of the time, I always use the secondary horn. Pero of course, nakapatay yung combo light. Okay? I'm only using the combo light pag I'm traveling long ride ng gabi, especially if it's gonna cross province to province. Okay, that's the only time na ginagamit natin yung combo light and if we're running at high speeds. Okay, now the next upgrade that we have is the WAP charger. Yung WAP charger natin, it's a USB 3.0 fast charger na nakakabit siya dun sa ating handlebar. So, it has the handlebar clamp. Okay. And then, we're using also the, okay. The reason why we have the WAP charger or WUPP is because ayokong butasan yung ating front pockets ng motor to put para may pasukan ng charging cable pagka bumabiyahe tayo. Okay? So, that's the only reason why I did that. And then also, mas malapit yung charger dun sa cellphone mount natin, which is a DC Moto Wolf's I think version 3 na cellphone mount yon. So, which is also mounted dun sa ating handlebar. Okay? Alright, apart from those, we also have the Racing Napoleon Street King version 2 na side mirrors. Reason why I installed it is, well, aminin ko na, it's for aesthetic looks. And of course, yung function niya, mas madaling sumingit sa traffic kasi mas mababa yung mounting niya dun sa, mas malapit siya sa handlebar compared dun sa stock. Okay, let's just put it that way. And then next is yung OMYDP na extra long na windshield. I believe it's 26 inches. So it's longer than the stock windshield and it's smoked. Okay, the reason why I installed this one is because, like I said in the previous videos, na the things that I don't like about the ADV is that yung stock windshield kasi masyado maikli for us. So I have to install the longer windshield for better resistance sa wind. Okay, and then what else? Apart from that, I also have a windshield mounted camera holder. Ito yung nakikita usually sa videos natin na yung camera nakaharap sa akin. So, dun siya nakamount sa windshield. So, yung windshield, as you know, may bracket yon. So, dun ko minount yung camera na yon. And I also put a Telesin camera arm extender para mas mataas siya compared pagka nakarekta siya dun sa DC Moto Wolf na camera mount. Okay? And then, not only that, nag-install din tayo ng, dito naman tayo sa panggilid. Number one na pinalitan natin sa panggilid side is yung mga bolts. As I mentioned dun sa previous video natin, malambot yung stock na bolts ng Honda ADV 160. So, pinalitan natin lahat ng bolts nun. So, I'm using Heng CNC, yung silver or yung white gold, as well as dun sa airbox natin. So, yung airbox natin, yung labas niya lahat naka-CNC, naka-Heng CNC bolt yun. And then, performance upgrades sa CVT. I used to have the RS8 dual angle carriage seat pulley set, which is for ADV 150, so I had to replace the belt and the pulley bushing na pang ADV 150 rin. And then yung torque drive natin is stock. And then the clutch assembly, which is the clutch lining housing and the clutch lining itself is RS8. And then yung clutch bell natin is RS8 din. Okay? Yung center spring natin is RS8 1,200 RPM, and then yung clutch spring is 1,000 RPM na RS8 din. And then apart from that, yung ating fly ball is a JVT 16 grams. Okay? Now, ngayon, we're no longer using the RS8 pulley. So, pinalitan ko to ng stock modified na pulley. Which is naka-single angle siya na 13.8 degrees. The reason why I replaced the pulley is for me to be able to put the stock belt and the stock pulley bushing back. So that's the only reason for it. Kaya ako siya binalik sa stock or ginawa kong stock modified yung ating pulley set. Okay? Now, other than that, wala na akong additional updates. I think I mentioned everything already. If you have any questions about the upgrades that I installed sa ating ADV, please make sure to comment down below and then I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Other than that, please do like, share, and subscribe dito sa ating channel. So, dito ko na lang puputulin itong video na to guys. Like what I always say, ride safe, always remember guys, mainit yung panahon, minsan umuulan-ulan na. So stay calm and yun lang, be happy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Car quand je te vois